You're gonna make me look like Alfalfa.
Okay.
Don't you look like Alfalfa every day?
No! This is Grandpa Kelly's hat.
Oh!
Let go! Let go! No! Let go!
Stop! You're supposed to sit up. Hurry up.
They gotta go home.
You gotta go. Hurry up. I want a couple pictures. Sit up. Look over here. Kylie Marie.
I want Kylie to stand up so
Hello?
I can get her picture.
Stand up.
That would help me.
Oh, this is cool. Best face shot. It takes a bunch of them
Here.
and then.
I'm getting a glare. Here.
Hey.
Get closer. Here, over here. Look at Mom.
Smart.
Now,
Another
nicely.
one. A nice one. Now. I'm gonna stretch my fell ash. Okay, ready? Here we go. Nice one over here.
Yeah, but I can't get their legs.
Kylie, quit with your smirk.
Just look straight ahead
Excuse me.
and
Now,
smile.
over here.
Why can't you get their legs?